Bonjour everybody. So today I'll be making Karela ki sabji, and this is how I get my Karelas today from our vine. Freshly prepared Karelas, as you can see, these are so beautiful, and I just chopped them off from the vine, as you can see. Now let's start. What are the main ingredients? You need Karelas, then some potatoes. I already like shaved them, and now I'm gonna do cleaning of them, washing them with water so there will be no dirt. And yeah, so yeah, clean them properly. Now I'm gonna take a knife and then peel the outer layer. As you can see, I need this for my masala. As you can see, I'm doing this. Don't go deeply, that it will the skin will loosen up. You just need the outer layer, like for masala. And when you peel all the outer layer, then you're gonna go for a center cut, as you can see, and open it up so you can add some masala in it after cooking. So here's the cut I made. Now I'm opening it up. Here are the seeds inside, which I'm not gonna remove. So yeah, here's all the karelas, and this is my masala. Now after this, you got to apply salt on the inside of that cut and keep it for the whole day in sunlight. And after that, you're gonna fry it in the oil. You can see I'm frying it. And here is the unfried masala and onions and potatoes. I chopped all them off, and now I'm gonna fry all of them. So yeah guys, in hot oil I added metha seeds and jeera powder. Yeah, and now I'm gonna add the masala to fry it up very nicely. As you can see, now I'm keep it and just rotate it until it fries up, and then add potatoes in it. Yep, there you go, as you can see. And after a little while, you'll add onions in it and let it cook for next 15 to 20 minutes until it's all get softened up, as you can see. After a while it will get like soften up. As you can see, the color turned around like brown, dark brown. And then add salt according to your preference. I added 2 spoons, then 1 spoon of turmeric, and then 1 spoon of red chili powder, as you can see. And now mix it well. And I also added 1 spoon of garam masala, and you're gonna mix it all very nicely. So yeah, also apply this salt, chili and turmeric inside the karelas also, if you are not going to stuff it. Otherwise you can stuff it with the masala also, but I didn't stuff it. And here you go, I added all the things and mix them well. And now keep it for next to 5 to 10 minutes, and it will be ready and it will taste delicious. As you can see, these are all fried up, and now it's time to eat. So yeah guys, here is it. I totally love it, and I can't even tell you, it tastes so good. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, guys. Okay guys, so yeah guys, I'm gonna enjoy it now. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I remove the seeds and now I'm gonna chop it. I just love it. Do recommend. Hope you guys like this video. Give this video a thumbs up and comment down below what you want to see next. Okay, bye guys. Enjoy your day. Have fun. And follow me for more.